Love you the baby the king. Hi wives, let's do this makeup today. Let's do a pre-makeup first. A concealer with a sexual tone. Cover the dullness around the lower lip. Then we apply a layer of liquid foundation. It doesn't need to be too white to brighten the complexion slightly, and it can be beautiful. Hitomi is wearing such a nice little gray ring. A gray coffee off beauty stick should be painted on the outline with a little shadow. It feels okay. I think it's delicious, yeah. Connect the grooming pen down from the eye socket and fix a straight nose. Then apply a double eyelid. Black glue pen along. Draw inner eyeliner at the root of the eyelashes. The eyes will look more energetic. Then use a transparent honey powder to set makeup for the whole face, a milk pink bright blush. Judging by the color of his crystal eyes from the picture of his face, I will not break up. You can look at these two colors and type it. Don't hit this part, hit the back half of the eye. A gray-brown eyeshadow disc is used with a light base first, and then dipped in a dark one. Draw up near the eyelashes, and then circle the head and tail of the eyes, dizzy, and bring it slightly past the lower eyelid. Oh. On the clip, it is okay to use near the eyelashes. One such way. Most. The latter pair is just right. As long as it is a sister with this kind of cold root, it is okay. Change a brown glue pen, open it on the eye, and trace the eyelid bone and eyelashes first. Make up softer, not too sharp. Oblique lower eyelids, then bring them directly back, and then down to the painted lips. Note that the hole should be flat. Pull some brown eyeliner out of the end of the eye and draw a flat one. Eyeliner. Dip a small brush in dark brown and trace the end of the eye. You can put it directly on the eyelids, and then trace it on the eyeliner. Then take it over the entire lower eyelid as a whole and draw a full and parallel aegyo cell with residual powder. Here I used a double crescent-shaped eyelid like this to widen it. Brush the lower eyelashes and then draw the lower eyelashes with a very thin eyeliner. The eyebrow pencil uses a tea brown to trace a flat and wide eyebrow. Light natural eyebrow cream. Platinum pearlescent highlights brighten the lower eye and scan the aegyo saliva. Small nose and bridge. A little nose shadow. Brush dip to get trimming color. Run the nose shadow again. It's still the highlight just now to brighten the brow bones and sweep a little bit on the cheeks, or this egg. The powder is a brightening powder with a little off-light feeling. Click on the engraved meat pink lip line to trace the lip shape. Gray pink pure honey. Okay, almost there.